Yo, what is going on, everybody? Oh man, what a jumble up on those words. Welcome to new Daily Candle. Uploaded a video a little earlier today on Rune Thorchain. You guys should definitely check that out. It is holding support. It's looking decent, provided Bitcoin doesn't fall too much further. But we're gonna look into the TA on, as I promised on Twitter. We're gonna look at TA on File Token or filecoin, whatever. But the TA on filecoin actually is looking pretty darn good in my eyes. You know, I could be wrong, but I think we have some promise out of filecoin, as well as we're gonna look at Bitcoin. But let's jump into the TA. If you have not hit the subscribe button, tick that bell. All these videos are time sensitive. Definitely want to get notified when these go up because they are trade setups for your entertainment value, not financial advice. Also join the Discord. You get notified in the Discord, and look at my Twitter, follow all the links, join me live on Twitch, all sorts of things. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, here we are. File token on the daily. So we can see on the daily file. I don't know much further down that it could possibly go. I need you to understand where we're at on file. Like if we lose this level at $16.42, there's nothing at all to hold you up. So needless to say, you're either going to zero or you're going up. Understand that completely. Your low is right here, $16.38. That's your low. That's it. TA on this is not that hard. It's not that hard. If you manage to hit this lower trend line, it's $16.47. Not financial advice. I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw the highest amount of leverage I possibly can on this thing. And I'm going to ride this bad boy up to $27.51. That is exactly what I plan on doing. We've been in this bear flag this whole time. We've been getting held down nonstop. I mean, if it's a bottom, it's a bottom. I don't know what else to tell you. Either you get stopped out or you make tons of money. There's not much else File can do. Really not. And your upside potential here is disgusting. Disgusting. Now, that's just my thoughts, of course. On the daily, we are putting in more negative momentum. You can see we are putting in a little more momentum. We could have a little more downward pressure. I personally don't think we have much more downward pressure. I don't. I don't. If you manage to come down here to 1657, I'm pretty sure no one else owns this token. If you break this level, sell it off, never come back. This thing is going to zero. Okay? It's going to zero. There's no doubt about it. However, use it as support once, use it as support twice, 3 times. This could be number 4. I personally think this little wick down here was the rest of the sellers. Because if you manage to hit the exact same point again, that means anyone who has bought this token has sold it off every single time. And they don't believe in the project. Personal thoughts. Anyways, rant over. Let's go into the 4 hour. Noted. Yeah, you have huge bearish divergence also, which is indicative of lower prices. However, I mean, if this is not the bottom, I'm never trading this asset again. Ever again. I'm running away, tail in between my legs, never trading this asset again. Period. Now let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, you can see we are starting to converge bullish. Go figure. Anyways, the MACD is showing you still have negative momentum. Honestly, it's going to take a little hiccup and it's going to start showing bullishness. You can see double bullish divergence, possibly triple bullish divergence right now. Everything's showing file tokens going up. And me personally, I am long on file. I do believe you're about to see a rise, first off, to this level, 26% to the upside. If you guys see this thing late and we're already up 26%, oops, hit the notification bell. See when I'm posting these videos. I'm spoon feeding this to you. This thing's here for you. Anyways, more likely target, you're coming straight back up here. $26 to $27. Right in this little pocket. 58% to the upside. It's going to take a little time to get there. Don't get me wrong. It'll take a little time. Might bounce around a little bit. But I don't think you can go much lower than where you're at. Now that I've ranted about filecoin enough, that's my honest TA. Because, I mean, if we look at the MACD here on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 forms of bullish divergence. Ta-da. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. This might be a little more interesting because, you know, whales accumulating it like crazy. And like I said in the I did stream earlier today, but like I said in the video with Rune Thorchain going over Bitcoin, it looks like we are bull flagging out. We do have the support down here at the bottom of this trading range we've been sitting in, just been coming up, and look at that. Go figure, we're finding support off of it again. I also mentioned in that this is where I personally take longs, and I put a nice tight stop loss. So I'm currently long on Bitcoin. I personally think tomorrow we could see Bitcoin anywhere between 39,300 and back up here to 41,200. This is my thoughts on Bitcoin. That is basically because we are losing bearish momentum. We are at the bottom of our channel, and we have two lines of support right here that I definitely think are going to hold. I believe it. Everybody right now is all doom and gloom, and I think I'm one of the few, not the only, but one of the few that are still saying, hey, this is where things reverse. This is where we go up from here. So Bitcoin, I definitely am long right now on Bitcoin. We could see, don't get me wrong, could see a little scam wick right below this. So be careful with your stop losses. Smart move would have your stop loss down here at like 36.3 if you're just doing spot trading. If you're doing leverage trading, your stop loss should be down here around 37.355. That should be where your stop loss is, possibly even a little bit lower at 37 even. So that's just my take on what this chart is showing me. However, you are below former support, using it as resistance. Keep that in mind. I just don't believe we are going to go past this red line down here. So I don't think we will. I could be 100% wrong. The sellers are out there right now. Wall Street could be running out of Bitcoin because, you know, the Michael Saylors of the world, they're buying the dip. They're just doing it over the counter, so they're not affecting the markets right now. But OTC will dry up. Gotta know that. So anyways, hopefully this video is helping you out when it comes to your trading. If Bitcoin is going to go up, guess what? File token is going to go up as well. Because if Bitcoin goes up, it drags the whole market with it, baby. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, check the links down below. Join me for the next one, and we will see what we go into next. Also, join Discord. If you have any requests in there for videos, I'm more than willing to put them up. Other than that, take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight. Good luck in your trades. Peace.